Welcome. In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can check number of apps that you have opened each day. You have to simply find the settings, then go for the Digital Wellbeing, tap to show our data and go for the unlocks. Right now we have to get here the times opened, and as you can see there we got the times opened. So I use settings today 52 times, Google 15, phone 12, Play Store 9, and you can also check other apps. If you want to go back for the other days like that, you can use this arrow or just with your finger swipe on the left. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.